Good morning.
Hi.
So we left Rocky's parents today and we had some breakfast with them, and then we've gone for a bit of a drive. So a few bits that we need to sort this morning, like washing the van, you know, exciting stuff like that. But now we have stopped along the way for another filming location of The Lord of the Rings. It's the Gardens of Isengard. So a couple of different shots were kind of filmed here. But yeah, it's just a nice nature walk.
Nice little park.
Yeah.
Some trees and stuff.
So yeah, we'll have a look around and see what we can find. Yeah. So this is another filming location for Lord of the Rings. It is the Gardens of Isengard. So Isengard is Saruman's area, his temple, and there's a couple shots, including one with Gandalf and Saruman going for a nice wander as they discuss things, as well as a few other shots similar of when you see Isengard in general, or the wooded area. But yeah, in terms of the actual filming location, there's not too much specifics.
No.
There's a couple shots that you might be able to find, but it is just a wooded area.
Yeah, I think it's possibly looking up that.
Yeah, but we shall have a wander around and see if there's anything that's particularly interesting. It is very pretty and it's a nice walk, and the trees are insanely big. But yeah, as I say, Gardens of Isengard. So huge trees. Like insanely big. And as you can see, just a nice big open space with a campground to the side. And they've removed a lot of what the Isengard was. I believe around here somewhere, was the path, a trail path that Gandalf rode up to Isengard on. So yeah, nothing else. Nice place to come, just relax. So a little known fact about Isengard was one of the big things to do for all the Urukai and other things was play disc golf. So yeah, they've maintained the original disc golf setup, so you can come and play disc golf. So yeah, if you ever want to become a expert at disc golf and play with the Urukai, there you go. So yeah, in terms of filming locations, this is definitely not the most exciting, but in terms of just a nice place to visit on the way to others, worth coming to.
Yeah.
So
We've got kids, there's a park,
yeah,
there's a pool as well.
like it's just a nice general area rather than a specific Lord of the Rings thing. It just kind of shows how big of a production the 3 films / 6 films were, that they have all this. So yeah, I think we're gonna see if there's anything else we can find and go from there.
Chapter 43. Joyce. 5 a.m. tomorrow is the big day. He puts on his blackout goggles and his noise-cancelling headphones and happily drifts off. Ron shuts his eyes. He liked it the other day, the police coming to see them, and he liked it.
So we've got another filming location for you. This one's it's also another kind of general one. So this is the River of Rohan. So there's quite a few scenes that are filmed along this river. The actual river is called Hut River. But yeah, this is the space. There's a couple different shots. Further down, they actually go over the river to actually use it for going into the elves in the Fellowship of the Ring. There's also in some of the shots as they arrive into Rohan, and you see the river, you can see it. And then further down the way, which we will actually try and get to, is after he fights the wolves. It is where Aragorn washes up So yeah, let me show you the Rohan River, also known as Hut River. So I don't think that road is there in most shots, but yeah, it's just a little river, but it's quite attractive. And you can understand how, if you just film it that way, you know, it doesn't look particularly modern. There's a lot that you can hide.
And be a lot fuller.
Yeah. But yeah, as I say, there's about three or four shots on this, as well as kind of a few pickup shots. Generally, it's one of the kind of, you know, slightly more interesting ones around here, but we'll try and go to the area where Aragorn goes. But as I say, same river, just different area. So we're currently there, and we are going to Rivendell, which has a nice instructional thing. Now, unlike a lot of the places around here, it actually has been kept to a certain degree, hasn't it?
Yeah, and it's got signs and stuff about it.
It's like actually information about it, not just, this is what we do. It's a beautiful location though. You can understand why they went for Rivendell area, can't you?
Yeah. It's Coyote National Park, is it like that? Regional Park?
Yeah. But yeah, there's plenty to do here as well. Like, we're doing about an hour trek, and you can obviously do some boating and stuff. Plenty to do. So as I say, unlike a lot of the other ones, we have a signpost. There's some nice Elvish on it. So we're on our final filming location of the day, and it's Rivendell. Now, like a lot of the other places that we've been, there isn't actually that much to see here. This is just where they filmed it. However, unlike a lot of the other ones, this is kind of more of a recognised area. So it's nice because there's signposts and explanations of different things. So how tall am I?
Gandalf height.
Oh, about Gandalf height, apparently.
Gandalf, bit of Aragorn.
Not too bad. So yeah. So like most film sets, they never actually keep the sets to be permanent. The way they design them is obviously to, you know, be there during filming and then easily tear them down. Which always does feel like a shame, but at least you're left with this beautiful park and a place to explore. And there are loads of places to explore here. Don't feel you need to just come for Rivendell, because there is a wonderful amount of things to do here, including like nice treks, as well as you can do kind of rafting, all sorts. But yeah, incredibly pretty. So it is done really well. It explains what, you know, exactly would be in front of you as you go, as well as a map of the basic area that you were. So yeah, as it says in front of us as well, Elrond and the Grey Elves farewell the newly formed fellowship. But in reality, bushes. Yeah, it's pretty. And for most people, this is the key thing. So it's also dedicated to everyone who is a big fan. But yeah, we have the archway. So yeah, this is the Elven archway, which is a really nice touch to kind of maintain something here, which of course, like everything in life, has been ruined by this person and this person and Joker and this person. All are terrible people. Ta-da! So yeah, the last little token of Rivendell. It's worth coming here, if nothing else, just for that, and as well as the nice nature walk. So yeah, we're gonna do I think it said about an hour loop, and just enjoy it whilst we got nice weather, and go from there. But yeah, see you in the next bit. Hey.
Hi.
So we've just had dinner at our campsite. Now we're just going to chill, enjoy the sunshine, enjoy the view, because that is the view. It is gorgeous. Oh, there we go. Yeah, or behind me. That's the other side. Really can't argue, can you?
Not for free.
No. So yeah, we're just going to chill and go from there. But see you in a bit.
Bye.
A lovely view. Plus Johnny had a clean today. Yeah. Somewhat cleaner Johnny.